Me and Jared back at it again with a new mod. Latest mod being Ikon Motorsports GT350 style track pack wing. About to replace my stock one right here with that. Got to remove all these two up here at the top, little like rubber screws type deals. All these push pins. Take these out, and there's one bolt on each side and two in the middle. But we'll show you how it goes.
It is, guys, straight from Ikon Motorsports. It's not on there
already,
as you can see. Oh yeah, just straight stuck on there, but gives you at least kind of an idea of what it's going to look like. And it looks really good. And me and Jared thought we were going to have to get 3M tape, but they give you a whole roll and some screws. So we're going to get to it.
What's up, guys? It's snowing. Finally got the spoiler on. I have to say it looks really awesome, and I can't personally believe that Ikon Motorsports sells it this cheaply, but the kit, I mean, it came with the screws, came with the padding and this 3M style tape, and even like little like silencers almost to prevent rattling around the screws. So we did have to drill just a itty bitty bit on the it wouldn't have mattered either way on the outer hole. It was off by just enough basically where it wouldn't go in there. So I just took a drill and kind of went in and out once or twice and scooted it right on over. But other than that, I mean, it fits great, looks great as you've seen. It's freaking snowing here, but gotta go to class now. But yeah, definitely looks a lot better. I think it is just the ABS plastic. I don't know if you can really tell, but it's like the same material as my diffuser fins down here. But I mean, even like right here, I mean, it looks pretty good. So other than that, guys, just another quick little video. I think Jared's getting his wheels put on today, so I might put that in here too. But if you're new, please like, share, and subscribe. We're trying to keep getting up there. We keep climbing. I appreciate everyone who keeps subscribing, but keep watching out for some more Stang content, more stuff here coming soon. Let us know what we should do next, if you think we should change something or try to get a new mod, any recommendations. But like I said, just hope everybody's having a great day, and please subscribe if you're new.